This is the back post single crochet. We're going to insert our hook from back to front to back around the post of the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. That's back post single crochet. Let's do that again. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.